Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss a question on solutions of linear system. So this question is choose Q and T such that the system is singular and has infinitely many solutions. Also, find the solution that has z equal to 1. So let's see. So system is given as x plus 4y minus 2z equal to 1, x plus 7y minus 6z equal to 6, 3y plus qz equal to t. Let's see what is the requirement here. Choose q and t such that the system, so system will have this coefficient of matrix of coefficients, right? That makes the system to be singular, not this column, such that the system is singular and has infinitely many solutions. So we know the conditions for infinitely many solutions in the case of consistent non-homogeneous equations, right? So let's see. And also we have to find the solution that has z equal to 1. Let's say what is A augmented B here first. This is one, 4, minus 2, and 1. 1, 7, minus 6, and 6. 0, 3, Q, and T. Fine. So for A being singular form or row echelon form, but I want you to observe something here. We'll see what is happening here. Instead of solving in a conventional method, let's see in a different manner. This says that determinant should be equal to 0. And we also know that if any row or any column depends linearly on another row or column, then the determinant is going to be 0, right? So if there is a linear relationship between rows and columns, the determinant is 0. Now see this matrix. Can you observe that row 1 and row 3 is possibly giving the sum as row 2? For these two columns it's not satisfied right now, but 1 plus 0 gives 0, gives 1. 4 plus 3 gives 7. So if minus 2 plus q gives minus 6, then this A matrix, this is your A matrix, this is overall A augmented matrix. So this A matrix will become singular because there will be a linear relationship between the rows. And that possible relationship is row 1 plus row 3 equal to row 2. If fulfilled, linear dependence among rows makes determinant A equal to 0. So we can say, like we have already made observation in column 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 4 plus 3 is 7. So we want minus 2 plus q should be equal to minus 6, and that gives a possibility of q equal to minus 4. So if q is equal to minus 4, we'll have this system of metric system to be singular. And we also know that this part is done. We also know that for infinitely many solutions, I'll say infinite solutions, we have studied that rank of A should be equal to rank of A augmented B and should be less than n. What is n here? N, the number of unknowns, 1, 2, 3, is actually 3. Now that the determinant of A is 0, definitely rank of A is not equal to 3, right? Because we know for a square matrix, if it is singular, the rank will be less than n being the order, right? So what is the rank of A here? Let's see. We can take any minor of, now that the minor of order 3 is 0, there is only one order minor of order 3 for A, not for A augmented B, for A. This is the single minor of order 3, if you forget this part. So we need to take any such minor of order 2 which is non-zero, and we can say that rank of A becomes 2. So let's see this. This is a second order minor and this belongs to A. We can see for this minor the value is actually 1 into 3 minus 0 into 7. So this is 3, which is not equal to 0. So rank of A becomes 2. Rank of A becomes 2. Now we want, of course this is less than 3, but we want that rank of A augmented B should also be 2. So I'll say 2 should be the rank of A augmented B. And we know now for this entire A augmented B matrix, so this is 3 cross 4 matrix, 3 cross 4 A augmented B. If somehow we can make the linear dependence among the rows or columns, possibly rows will work very definitely because that will count every row. So if we can make that possibility, we can say that entire 3 cross 4 matrix has linear dependence and its rank is going to be less than 3. So let's see. We had this relation row 1 plus row 3 is equal to row 2. We satisfied it for column 1. We satisfied it for column 3. So column 2. For column 3 we need q equal to minus 4. And for column 4, if we have to satisfy the same condition, for column 4, what do we want? You want 1 plus t is equal to 6. Row 1, row 3 and row 2, right? So that makes t equal to 5. So if t is equal to 5, we can say that rank of A augmented B is going to be less than 3 and it will be 2. Why it will be 2? Because for this 3 cross 4 matrix, this minor of 2 cross 2 size, minor of order 2, this minor of order 2 belongs to A and also belongs to A augmented B, right? Like if you forget this column 4, this is a 3 cross 3 A matrix and this order 2 minor belongs to A. Similarly, if A augmented B is here, this is 3 cross 4. This same second order minor is a subset of all the possible minors of 3 cross 4 matrix also. So this is non-zero. So this gives rank of A augmented B equal to 2. So we need Q to be minus 4 and T to be 5, so that we can have the metric system to be singular and we can have infinite number of solutions. But this is not done. We need one more set. The second part or the next part is asking for the solution set for which z equal to 1. So for Q equal to minus 4 and T equal to 5, the system will become, you can say it is x plus 4 y minus 2z equal to 1, x plus 7y minus 6z equal to 6, 3y q equal to minus 4, so minus 4z equal to t, and t is equal to 5. So for z equal to 1, in this equation we can see if z equal to 1, this becomes 3y minus 4 into 1, which is 4, equal to 5, and this gives y is equal to 3, because 5 plus 4 divided by 3, so that makes it y equal to 3. And we can put this on in some other equation. So in equation 2, let's say this is first, second and third equation. In equation 2 we'll have x plus 7 times of y, so y is 3, so that becomes plus 21, z equal to 1, so this becomes minus 6 equal to 6, so x becomes this is this will become minus 9. You can say if this 21 minus 12 will become 9, and on the other side it becomes minus 9. So the solution is minus 9, 3 and 1 for z equal to 1, for the case of z equal to 1. Otherwise there can be many solutions, like we have concluded it will have infinite number of solutions. So this will be the answer.